Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and today in this video I'll show you typewriter in JS, and here I will like the custom code. Okay, and guys, first of all I will show you the demo. Here you can see the click me button, and if I click this button, so you can see typewriter is started, and when the text is completed, so it is started to remove. Okay, so this is called typewriter, and this is important, and many of the side you can see this kind of thing. Okay, so here I will show you the custom code, then you can learn easily the logic. Okay, and you can learn the JS part also. So guys, let's see how to make this kind of thing, and I will move to the Visual Studio Code editor now. So guys, here you can see I have opened Visual Studio Code editor, and this is basic HTML structure I have added already. Okay, if you have any doubt of this HTML structure, you can write in the comment section. I will just explain. Okay, and I hope guys you know this HTML structure. And guys, here inside this body tag, first of all I will create a button, because when I'll click this button, so that time I will start the typewriter. But if you want to start this typewriter on load, so you don't need to create the button. And if you want, so you can write in comment section, I will make the video on that. Okay, so now guys, on click and here typewriter, because when I will click this button, so that time it will start. So here I have to write the on click method, and the method name, here you can see I have written typewriter, but if you want to add the different name, you can write here. And now click me, the button name. Okay, and now here I will write an ID. So first of all p tag, and here I will write an ID is demo. By the way, this ID name you can write anything, and instead of p tag, if you want to add here h1 h2 tag, that also fine, or deep section, whatever you can write, that both are fine. Okay, so now guys, inside here just I will display the text whatever I want to display in the typewriter. So that is done, and now guys I will just here write a script tag. Okay, because inside the script tag I will write our main JavaScript code. So first here I will write a var I equals to -1. Okay, this is the variable name, and now var t equals to blank, because guys here inside this t, I mean inside this t I will display the text. You can understand the later why I'm writing the t equals to blank. Okay, and now guys, here I will write var text is the main thing, the sentence whatever I want to display in the typewriter. So here you can write any text. I will write the dummy text, lorem ipsum is a dummy text, like this. Okay, this is a very simple thing. Just here I have declared the variable. I hope you know. Okay, and now guys, here I will write the another variable that is called speed. Okay, this variable name guys, you can write anything as per your choice, and the speed I have mentioned here 200 means guys 0.2 millisecond. Okay, so guys, here speed why I have written. So first of all, typewriter means it will be display like this: first L, then O, R, then E. So okay, so like this way it will display. So L, after that O. So between L and O, the difference, I mean the time will be 0.2 millisecond. Okay, means first of all L, and after 0.2 millisecond it will be displayed O, then after 0.2 millisecond it will display R, like this. Okay, I hope guys it is clear. So this is done, and now here just I will copy this method. So here I will write function and the method name. Okay, so those variable I have added globally, those called global variable, because guys here this is function, and outside this function I have defined all the variables, so that is called global variable. And now guys, here just I will write a condition: if I less than text dot length. Okay, then I will be plus plus. Okay, and it is very simple also. And now guys, here inside this t variable, so I had already told you, like this t variable I will display the text. Okay, t plus equals to, why I'm writing t plus equals to, that I will just explain also, character at I. Okay, so first I have written the condition. Okay, and then now I will just start to explain. Okay, so why I less than text dot length means guys, until I first of all is -1. So until I it's not going up to this text dot length, txt text dot length means up to that. I until it's not going up to that, so then I will be plus plus. Okay, when I will be the text dot length, so that time I will not be plus plus, because the condition is saying like that, until I less than text dot length, so that time it will be plus plus. Okay, so first of all guys, I will be here, then here, like this. Okay, means it is just going one by one. So here first I it will be 0 1 like this. Okay, so here I have written character at I. So what character at does? Character at just cut the sentence. Okay, cut the character, sorry, cut the character from a sentence. So this is the sentence, and here I have written text means this one. So from this sentence it will cut the character I means guys, first I will be 0 then 1, so like this. So it will start to cut from here. Okay, first it will cut L, then O, then R, like this way, and after that when it will cut like this way, so that I have stored inside this t variable. Okay, and why I have written pass equals to means, first of all I will be L. Okay, when it will text dot character at, I have written like this. Okay, I'm trying to explain everything guys, video may be long but you can understand. Okay, text dot character at, okay, like this. Okay, first I will be L. Okay, because I it's like here 0, because I have written I plus plus. Okay, so I will be L. So after cut this L, here I have stored inside this t variable. Okay, means first of all inside this t variable it will store like this L. Okay, and when I will be O, so that time again inside this t variable, here it will be O. But guys, if I don't write t plus equals to means, if you write here like this way, here t plus like this, so it is same like this one. Okay, I hope guys it is clear. Okay, means guys, inside this t variable, first of all I'm storing L, and after that t plus text character at means L plus new, that is O. After that t plus text dot character at I means LO, because inside this t it's already stored LO, so LO plus R, like this way it will store guys. Here guys, everything it is very simple. Okay, and now guys, just here I will write document dot get element by ID. Okay, and the ID name is demo, because here I will just print whatever the typewriter I'm just taking from the character here. Okay, so that I will print here. So ID is demo dot inner HTML. Okay, equals to t, like this. Okay, and now guys, this typewriter will start. Okay, I mean it will start, it will be the continue. So how can do that? So here I will write set timeout method. Okay, so just simply here what I will do, I will write like this. Okay, only set timeout or parenthesis, and inside here I will call this method typewriter, and I will call this variable, that is. So let's see. So I saved this one up to that and refresh. So here you can see typewriter is started. Okay, so it is completed. But now guys, when it will be completed, so that time I have to remove one by one. Like first it will remove T, then X, then E, like this way it will start to remove one by one. Okay, so that condition now I have to write. So for that guys, just here, okay, I will add a space here. So now inside this if condition when, so I will write again another if condition, that is if I double equals to text dot length. Okay, so when I will just go up to this length, okay, means it is completed. So that time here I will write another variable j equals to 0. Okay, so now when I will be completed, so that time inside this j variable I will store the value of I. Means if it start from 0 1 2 like this way, suppose the text it's up 20, so inside this j I will store the value of I. Means inside this j I am storing 20. Okay, so here the variable name I will write is delete. Okay, so here I will add boolean value that is false. So now here when I will be completed, so inside this j I have stored the value of I, and here I will write is delete equals to true, because when it will be completed, so its delete, I mean delete will start here once it is completed. So after that it will start to delete tx like this way. So the variable name I have written is delete, so is delete will be true. Okay, so this one is done. And now guys, here just here I will write another condition. Okay, so here I will write if is delete triple equals to true and j not equals to 0. Means guys, here when is delete is true means it is completed, because here the condition if I its text dot length means I will go up to the end, means it is true. So when it is true, so and when it will get true and until j it's not equals to less than 0, because guys first inside this j I have stored the value of I means suppose 0 1 2 up to that it is suppose 20 character is there in this text. Okay, so inside this j now it is 20, because i's value I have stored inside this j. So now j will start to decrease. I mean it will be just deduct. Okay, so here so 20 minus 1 it will be 90 like this. So it until it will not go up to 0, so that time here I will write j minus minus. Hope guys it is clear. Means guys j if it is 20, so it will start to delete, so j minus minus. Okay, until it will not be 0, means it will not come to the first here. Okay, so guys here it is clear. And now here I will write text equals to, because inside this t equals to, because inside this t again I have to store the value. So t equals to text dot slice. Okay, slice it will start from 0 minus 0 comma j. Okay, j means it will start from here. So like this I have written the slice. If you don't know the slice method, so guys here I already discussed in my javascript tutorial, so you can check this video. Okay, and now guys here after that here I have to write the same thing. Like here you can see I have written like I equals to text dot length. So same way here I will write now if j triple equals to 0, means it is completed. Okay, it's cut all the values. Okay, j triple equals to 0, then I equals to minus 1 again. Means guys i's value it was when it started from here, first i's value was minus 1, and when it was started so minus 1 like this, so it was increasing. Okay, increasing suppose up to 20. Okay, so it is when it is 20 means text dot length it increase it is equals to take i's value is same like text dot length. Okay, so this condition is stopped. Okay, so that's so again I have to start this condition, because when the value will be start to cut from here and it will be end, so that time this loop I have to start again. So that's why for starting this loop i's value I'm making here minus 1. Okay guys, this is actually done. And here I will write again is delete equals to false like this. So now let's see it is working or not. So it started to add here. Okay, so now see it is start to cut from here, means j is minus minus, and again if it is done, so again it started, because I have written when it will be completed, so I again will be minus 1. When it will be minus 1 means it will be less than text dot length, so again it will come here. Okay, so I hope guys it is clear? If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to explain your doubt. Okay, so this way you can create a typewriter, and I hope guys you have understand. If you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, and if you want to get more update, if you want to learn the React, Angular, so you can subscribe my channel as well, and you will get the Angular playlist. So you have to go to the playlist and you will find the Angular playlist, and I just recently started React, so you can, if you want to learn the React, so you can also check my playlist. Okay, and I will continue the React tutorial as well. So